Good evening, dear friends. Big development is coming from Israel, and Israel's parliament, that is the Knesset, voted by just a single vote, that is 60 to 59, with one absentee to install the new government. And from today, Naftali Bennett, who has been a former friend and former ally and former aide to Mr. Netanyahu, is the Prime Minister of Israel. And Mr. Yair Lapid, a former famous TV star and a centrist leader, is set to take Mr. Bennett's place after 2 years, provided the government lasts. According to Israeli constitution, elections must be carried on in every 4 years. But if you look at average, the governments in Israel usually do not survive more than 2 years. The new government is an 8-party alliance, and ranging from left to right and from secular to religious, and for the first time also the Arab party, that is Ram party. And if you look at the alliance, you will find that they don't have anything in common except the anti-Netanyahu instinct. They want to displace Netanyahu, and they did it. But the big question arises, is the Netanyahu era over? Yes, for time being, definitely over. But is Netanyahu out of political spectrum of Israel? I don't think so. Because still he is the leader of opposition. He commands various alliances, and these alliances are very powerful leaders of Israel. So he is very much there, and he will do his level best to topple this government. He will try his level hard to put fissures between the leaders of alliance. Already he has tried his level best to peel out the right-wing leaders of alliance from supporting this government, but he failed. But since the common denominator between the parties and leaders of current government is their anti-Netanyahu stance, so this means that this government will be really anti-Netanyahu. And once after losing the prime ministerial post, Mr. Netanyahu has also lost the immunity against the corruption charges he is facing. And one should not forget that Israel is a very serious country in dealing with corruption charges. Already, Mr. Netanyahu's predecessor, Mr. Olmert, he is in jail in the corruption charges. So the current government will try the level best to prosecute Mr. Benjamin Netanyahu, and he will also work very hard to topple this government. Let's see what will happen. Israel's parliament, that is Knesset, also selected their new speaker, and the new speaker is Mr. Miki Levy. He is from the party of Yair Lapid, and if I'm not wrong, he's the same gentleman who used to be the spokesperson of Israeli police, and we used to hear him often. We wish best of luck to Mr. Naftali Bennett, Mr. Yair Lapid, and we are sure and optimistic that the relationship between India and Israel will prosper.